More resignation in the MK party. I want us to discuss that something is very not right and concerning. And a lot of MK party members, they want Jacob Zuma to fire Willis Mchunu. The Willis Mchunu problem is becoming a factor there, because I've heard different comrades from different regions calling out to Jacob Zuma to say that we have a problem. Willis Mchunu must be removed from the MK party because he disrespects us and he does not listen to us. The only thing that he does, he listens to his ANC comrades and gives them our position.
Siyabonga bakwethu, bekukubonga nje ukuthi sibe sonke la. Angethemba ukuthi nina la lama comrade niwazonke. Abala. Shintshile izinto emadoda. Oh. Kodwa ngisho into engafuneki ngisho. Uyakhala ngisho njalo. Asibongeni bakwethu, bekukubonga nje. Siyayibongela thina, mina ke kakhulu ngiyayibongela ngalezi insizwa nentombi. Niyazi ukuthi basukaphi njengoba ngena emkhulu lesizwe. Kwakuthiwa indaba bekuyo konje uqala. Khongolosi. Kagogo nansi ngakusho njalo. Uyigogo. Abafundi kugogo lapha. Kuba nathi babe fresh ngayo yonke indlela. Siyanibongela lapha kwethu ukuthi ningabe kanye nathi kumnandi kuhle. Sinibongela kakhulu bakhulu Thanga.
And another bad news hit the MK party. Sure, this political party, what is happening there? Another MK party leader resigns from the party. The Youth League National spokesperson submitted a resignation letter from both the position and the party, terminated the membership with immediate effect. And not long ago, also, we have seen that the MK party's Youth League deputy president also resigns from both our position and terminated her membership also. So, I don't know. Members, come here. There's a video that I've seen, and you know.
ANC ungenile ekhontoweni namakhansela afuna ungena lapha kwethu singakhohlisana. Mase kukhona umasipala lo makhansela lawo ayohambisana nezinqumo zika-ANC kodwa kumkhonto. Le emajuba bakhala bayayithulisa khona ama-drug dealer okuyiwona aseyitraction. Umfaka kanjani umuntu oyi-drug dealer uthi akazoba ikhansela leader abantu? Umthatha kanjani umuntu onecala le-rape uthi yena akabe ikhansela? Uzongena kanjani lo muntu awulida uphakathi? Omunye usisi awuthiwa uyicandidate ubonakala ebhaqabula umama ngenduku. Masibuza kule wathi ukuthi yini le niyenza ukuthi umuntu omdala ongaka ngashaya umuntu omdala ngaka niyenzelani lonto leyo? Kuthiwa hayi icandidate le sesiyikhulumile ungangeni nakho sithi ngeke singangeni. Singxenye yomkhonto. So bafethu umkhonto ma-ground force udepende kunina. Lento esicela kubaba uNcamala ukuthi ubaba uNcamala akaphumela obala avele kuthina. Ngoba kubuhlungu ngale vetting yaqalwa iDrodi hayi nobaba uNcamalala noNomvale ekhona. Kuyithina esiphethe i-idea. Siyamangala base sibona abantu asebesebenzisa information yeDrodi hayi sebethi bayavetha. Uvetha kanjani nge-information oyithatha komunye umuntu phansi wena uze ngento zakho? Uyabona ukuthi la emkhontweni sijoyine osomathuba. Ababheka ukuthi wena umqondo wakho ufast kangakanani. Baningi ocomrade la akade benza izinto eziphathekayo babhale. Ifika le leadership yamaqela ithatha information yakho iyoyipresenta yona kwi-leadership. Kubona ngathi ibona bese ngomqondo umqondo akona wabo. So sithi is enough ngale nto yenzeka la.
Surprisingly, did you hear? EFF members are also said that they are given positions in the MK party. ANC members, as we've spoken about this for the longest of time, are the ones now who are appointing and who are removing people, giving positions to their favorites. Now, the worst one of them all is that drug dealers, people who are known of smuggling drugs, are now given top position in the MK party. The MK party, Huh? So are you now electing drug dealers to be MK Party councillors? Are you now giving positions to people who are accused of hideous crimes such as rape to be MK Party councillors? So let me tell you something where the dilemma is. Listen to this here. The people who are complaining about the ANC and EFF coming to get position in the MK Party are the ones who started with these organizations, are the ones who've been investing to this organization. Remember that some of these people sold their cars, they left their jobs, they sold their houses, they've done a lot to this party, but it seems like now they are not rewarded. Now the rewards have been given to rapists, to drug dealers. Hey, the MK Party, yeah, these members will fight, and not only fight, they will go to an extent of just eliminating each other. They will kill each other. I'm not joking. They will kill each other, because you can tell that now this is a factor. And Jacob Zuma is busy preaching one thing. Now all positions are interim positions. They are not permanent. People are looking for opportunities in the MK Party. They want party positions because the party is getting numbers. Willis Mchunu now has been targeted by the MK Party people, which Willis Mchunu, we know that his position, he's a chief MK Party convener of KZN, is being called out by many MK Party comrades, citing that he ignores them and does not take them serious. He does not take any opinions. He does not take any advice coming from them. Tells them that it comes from the ANC, and Jacob Zuma is his older comrade. They can't tell him fuck all, anything. Can't tell me anything. I'm in charge here with my ANC comrades, and we are running the MK Party.
Sicela ubaba uNqabane langasukumeleni. Sizame ngayo yonke indlela ukusebenza noWillis nobaba uMpungose. Okunye kungidumaza ubaba uWillis wasitshela emehlweni sithi uDala. Emtshelile uNcamalala sinaye eMaritzburg kwelinye iplaza kaNcamalala ukuthi Willis na amadoda ozosebenza nawo. Ngicela usebenze nalamadoda eduodaya ngoba abafana bamengxaye nabo inhlangano lapho. Ngicela usebenze kanye nabo. Wavuma ubaba uWillis Ncamalala. Ubaba uWillis ngelanga mase sibadala seza la sizokhuluma naye. Ubaba uWillis into ayenza kuthina wasitshela ukuthi yiyo lento engafuni ukuhlangana nathi. Ngoba thina sifuna ukumlalela. Lento yethu ukuthi thina saqala umzabalazi noNcamalala uyayazi akayiphikile naye. And wasitshela experience yakhe yaka-ANC ukuthi une experience.
And Jacob Zuma so far has not responded. Whether Jacob Zuma or the first deputy president, Duduzane Zuma, they are just quiet and numb about this. A letter dated 18 August 2026 to the leadership of Umkhonto weSizwe. Dear leadership, I hereby formally submit my resignation from my position as the national spokesperson of the Umkhonto weSizwe Youth League, as well as my resignation from membership of the organization. This decision has not been made lightly. I'm grateful for the opportunities, experiences, and responsibilities entrusted to me during the time serving of the organization and the youth movement. I've had the opportunity to engage with many young people, contribute to the organization's communication and media work, and serve in various programs and activities aimed at advancing the interests of young people. After careful consideration, I've decided that it is in my best interest to step away from both my leadership responsibilities and the organizations. The decision is based on personal consideration and my need to focus on the next chapter of my life, including my personal development, education, and future goals. I remain appreciative of the individuals I've worked with and the experiences gained throughout my time within the MK Party Youth League and MKP. I wish the organization and its leadership success in the future programs and endeavors, particularly in the work that lies ahead. I respectfully request that my resignation be formally acknowledged and that I be relieved of all my responsibilities associated with my position as a national spokesperson and my membership of the organization. So very interesting, because the letter that I've read from the DP of the Youth League says also the same thing. Is this a plan? I don't know. Something very unique. The letters, the style of writing, the excuses made of resigning, they sound similar. Maybe a sabotage, or maybe these ones, they just want another growth. They see that the party is limiting them. I don't know. What's your take on this? Please leave it on the comment section below about this situation of fighting for positions happening in the MK party. And we shall meet again. You can leave just one thing for me, your subscription. Press that subscribe button. Remember, it is free of charge. And let us meet on the next video, and take care.